like kids forever. We're two different people, but we're having fun. We talk about anything under the sun. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends we'll always, always be. We always have fun being together. You know me the best, we're friends forever. The good times and bad, I'm here for you, sis. Right by your side, hit or miss. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends, the best of friends. The best of friends we'll always, always be. We are sisters, we are sisters.
Good morning, mga sis!
Special day sa mga mommies ngayon. Lalo na sa mga may baby.
Nako, madami-dami yan.
Ay, marami
diba,
talaga.
diba sabi nga, araw-araw, 2 Pilipinong baby ang pinapanganak.
Dalawa lang?
Alam ko, parang mas madami.
Parang mas madami.
Parang mas madami.
Pero wag tayo mag-focus sa problema ng populasyon.
Oo.
Dahil meron tayong mommy and baby shower.
O kasi ang buhay ng babae, punong-puno ng iba't ibang mga party at iba't ibang malalaking event. Kung magdadalaga ka, meron kang debut. Kung ikakasal ka, may bridal shower. Kung magkakaanak ka, meron kang baby shower. Tapos humihinto na dun.
Ganun ba?
Diba? Tapos invited din kayo sa kakaibang mga birthday ng mga kung sino-sino, mga friends, mga baby. Naku,
Mga kaibang celebration na ito ng bonding at mother and child. Yung mga lahat ng klaseng bonding maisip nyo kasama ang magulang at anak.
tama-tama, invited din ang mga tao na manood sa atin ng isang kakaibang celebration.
O sige na, umpisahan na natin. Ang una nating makakasama ang may bahay ni Gary Estrada, Bernadette Allison Estrada.
Hi, good morning. And this is our baby girl, Icy, but her full name is Gariel Bernice. It's a combination of both our names, Gary and Bernadette.
Oo nga naman.
Hi, Icy.
Hi! Tapos sumagot, no? Sabihin niya, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Okay.
Ito naman, husband niya si business magnate Fred Elizalde. Prima ballerina Lisa Makuha Elizalde.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. Ang aking dalawang anak na kasama ngayon na kanina pa sinisira ang set. Si Michelle Elizabeth or Missy Elizalde, 4 years old. And Manuel Cesar or Mac Elizalde, and he just turned 2 years old.
Ay, Diyos ko po. At ang maladiwatang misis ni Richard Gomez, Lucy Torres Gomez.
Good morning, Jelly Janice. This is my 2-year-old daughter, Juliana Maria Beatrice. Juliana after her maternal grandmother, Maria, because she was born on Mama Mary's birthday, and Beatrice, which means bearer of happiness and blessings.
Uy, talaga nag-research si Lucy.
Oo naman.
At ang dami ng name, 3 ah. O kayo, alam nyo ba kung anong pangalan na ang ibig sabihing masarap kausap sa umaga? Ano pa? Eddie!
Para ibida ng mga mommies ang baby nila.
Ang balita ko, Lisa, Missy can draw. Ano pa ang hilig niyang i-draw? Ayun na, nag-drawing na siya.
Ayan,
parang andain na.
Actually, habang naghihintay ng shoot ngayon, drawing niya itong nandito. Ang tawag niya dyan, Boracay.
Wow! Missy, why is that Boracay? Why is that Boracay? Why is your drawing Boracay?
That's not Boracay.
Okay, that's not Boracay.
Ay,
Okay,
hindi
not.
pala. What is it, Missy? What's your drawing?
The other one is Boracay, and I'm making now. Mac is drawing a lizard, and I'm trying to draw a sun.
Oh, she's trying to draw a sun. And that's Boracay pala.
Oo, tama pala tayo. Okay.
Yung,
Tama
yung
tayo.
dinodrawing niya yung hindi ba?
Hindi nga
Akala
naman
ko mali
Boracay
ako.
eh. Mali,
Sorry,
mali
Missy.
tayo doon. At, ano pa ba?
At si Mac, he dances already.
No, Mac loves music.
Ah,
And
okay.
alam niyo yung kanyang Nonononohan Lolo is a very famous composer, si Federico Elizalde.
Mm-hmm.
And every time he hears music, he dances, he claps. Gustong-gusto niya, mahilig kumanta. Si Missy mahilig mag-swimming, mag-drawing. And,
So hindi siya magiging ballerina muna.
Actually, hindi ko ini-encourage na mag-ballet ang mga bata hanggang mga 6 years old.
Really?
But would you
Pwede ba-
teach her? Would you?
If
I
she
would
wants.
if she wanted. Yeah, sure.
Ang galing.
Pwede pa pa-sample ng dancing naman ni Mac? Pa-sample naman.
Kailangan may music.
Music,
Music.
please. Ayan, nagda-dance.
Ayan na, okay.
Dancing and drawing.
Yes.
Oh, that is talent. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ay, ang sarap. Sumisipa pa ng balloon. Okay. Time to rest.
You're so galing, Mac.
Yay, Mac!
Yay!
Dead ba tayo ni Mac?
Oo. Care na sa atin.
Oo.
Ito naman si Mami Bernadette. Nakakatayo na si Icy. Ilang months na si Icy? Going 6. Almost 6 months.
Magsi 6 months pa lang pala.
Nagsistand na siya.
She likes standing up doon sa playpen niya. Pero
Pasample
I'll
nga.
try kung kaya niya.
Oh,
Ako,
okay.
patay.
Ay, oo, hindi playpen. Ito
Hey, baby Icy. In a very orange pajama.
pink and orange. Ayan. Ay, naaaliw siya sa sa
Sa
hair.
colors.
Sa color. Ayan standing na siya. Okay, yay!
Yay!
Lucy, ano na ba mga activities ni Juliana?
Si Juliana, mahilig rin siya sa sa music. Pag nakakarinig ng tugtog,
Ay, parang tatay niya.
sumasayaw. Parang tatay niya. Kaya lang, eto, shy. So,
Oo
she's
nga.
normally
Hindi, pero
not this
meron akong
quiet
alam na
eh.
talent ni Juliana. Na
Ano?
pinagmamayabang ni Goma sa akin.
Ano?
Sinira niya yung cellphone ni Goma.
Oo, 2 cellphone na. Sinira. I remember, a little over a year old lang siya, pumasok ako sa room, nanonood siya ng Santana, tapos gumaganyan-ganyan siya.
Ganyan siya.
Rocker yung anak ko.
Asus. Alam niyo po ba si Juliana? Kasi birthday niya nung di ba?
Nung Sunday.
September
Nung
8.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Ay, so we have a surprise for her.
Oh, ayan. Sana sinindihan natin yung kandila. Jaran! Look!
Hey, Juliana.
Oh, you blow your cake, ha?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, but no candle blowing.
Yeah, Ayan.
Okay, we'll sing happy birthday!
Hindi ako makasabay. Taas.
Birthday! Happy birthday to you! Blow your candle!
Blow, blow. Darling, blow. 1, 2, 3. Blow.
Yay! And because it's your birthday, may message si Goma for Juliana.
Daddy is on the phone.
Daddy.
Daddy, what is your message to Juliana,
My
Daddy?
message to Juliana, I'm very happy and very proud to be your father. I wish and I want you to grow up to be a good girl. And I really want you to be friendly to people. And I want to give you the best school possible for you, to give you a good education. And I want you to grow up to be like your mom, who's very religious, very prayerful. And to Lucy, thank you so much for being a wonderful wife, very understanding wife, and a very caring one too. Thank you for taking good care of me, and thank you for taking good care of Juliana, and I wish we could be together for hundreds of years.
Over.
And
Patay ka na
hopefully in
nun.
the future we'll have more kids. we'll have a bigger family. Not just you, me, and Juliana. Sana marami pa in the future. And I'm very proud of you for so many reasons. And so you take care while I'm here in China. Take care of Juliana as well. I love you so much. Bye.
Who's that, Juliana? Who's that? Who's that?
Say thank
Juliana,
you,
who's that?
Daddy.
Who's
I
that?
love you, Daddy. She's really shy.
Oo nga, shy siya.
Oh, pero sa telepono, ano ba yung sinasabi niya? Mongolowe.
Pero dun sila opposite ng daddy na. Yung daddy hindi shy.
Oo nga, hindi. Uy, totoo ba na parang ayaw niyo pang lumaki yung mga anak niyo?
Ayaw naman ng mga mommies talaga lumaki yung mga anak nila kaagad.
Eh si Ferlicia, parang hindi tayo masyado makapag-concentrate. Masyado tayo natutuwa sa kanila, no?
Oo.
No, actually, I really enjoy this age kasi ito yung age na nakaka-relate na sila.
Nakakapag-usap
They
na.
can communicate, yes, and they can tell you what they like, what they don't like. So it's a really interesting age.
Yeah, okay, ha? Yeah, Maka. Yeah.
Ikaw naman, Bernadette.
Right now, parang I'm starting to feel that. Kasi ito nga, yung nakita ko siya na she wants to stand up na, she wants to start walking. So parang 6 months flew so fast.
sarap,
Parang
no?
ganon. Oo, parang, pero I want her to start walking na. Gusto ko yung ganon. Pero ganda na lang, parang ganon.
Oo.
Ang ganda na lang.
Do you feel that way, Lucy?
Yeah, ako I'm really torn kasi a part of me wants her to stay a little child forever, if only for the fact na I know that while she's little, I can shield her from any harm.
Everything.
But I also know that the time will come when I will have to let her go and make her grow to be her own person. So yun.
Nako, plus mommy plus baby equals sis. Magbabalik po kami. Siyempre tayong mga mami, we always wonder, ano kaya 5 years from now, 10 years from now, ano na kaya ang mga anak natin? 18 years from now, ano na nga kaya ang mundong gagalawan ng mga babies na ito? Ito ang forecast ng mga experts.
Kasabay ng development sa medicine, technology at iba pa, dulot din ng mga ito ang ilang problemang kakaharapin ng mga sanggol na ngayon pa lang pinapanganak pagtanda nila. By the year 2020, 130 million na ang mga Pilipino na mag-aagawan sa kumukonting resources ng ating bansa. Sa lupa, sa pagkain, sa mga basic services. Lalong magsisikip ang mga lungsod at ang Metro Manila ay magiging isang megacity sa laki ng populasyon. Lalong magkakaroon ng kompetisyon sa mga dekalidad na paaralan. Ngayon pa lang ay dama na magiging mahirap ang pagpapaaral dahil sa pagkalugi ng mga kumpanyang nag-o-offer ng educational plans. Sa technology naman, lalong madedevelop ang ating computers na halos magiging mahirap nang i-distinguish ang gawa ng talino ng tao at gawa ng makina. Bagay na maaaring makaapekto sa social development ng mga tao. Paano na kaya ang mga anak natin by the year 2020?
Kayong mommies, do you really think as far, ganun ka layo?
Parang
Yung
namang-
iniisip niyo yung,
Parang namang nananakot
ano kaya
yun.
Parang napaka-negative
Oo,
ng lahat.
Ano pa ba ang masamang mangyayari? Sige nga. Wala na bang maganda?
naiisip mo ba yun?
Hindi ko pa naiisip yon. I'm just thinking of her future. But sometimes, I do think about it, kaya lang hindi naman ganun ka-negative. And I hope not.
Kaya
I really
work
hope
hard na
not.
lang, no?
Yes.
Para...
Because I want to give her the best. Best education, best everything. I want to give her at least a good life.
Ano ba ang biggest fear niyo for their future? Lisa?
I think my biggest fear is that they grow apart as siblings. Ayokong mangyari yun.
Oh, kasi sometimes pagka matatanda na sila, parang nagkakalimutan na, they lose touch with each other. How about you, Lucy?
My biggest fear? I really just wish that the streets would be safe for our children. And I hope she grows up to be God-fearing. I think if she grows up without any religion or without any faith in God, I think that's a downfall for anyone.
Oo naman. Oo, Siguro kaya nga, lahat ng mommies, iba yung worry natin, yung sana maging
Ikaw, ano
safe
ba ang fear mo
streets.
sa mga anak mo?
Ha? Ako ang fear ko sa mga anak ko, syempre yung hindi sila lumaking matino. Yung mapariwara sila. Not because of us, not because
No,
of
but
what
I
they
mean-
grow up with, but syempre, once you let them out when they're in school, may mga ibang na nakakausap na yan.
Correct.
Diba? And you don't know. You can't possibly know.
You can't
It's very
control
hard.
the environment.
Oo.
Exactly.
And maybe that's one reason also kung bakit talagang si Goma is really very adamant about his drug against drugs campaign.
Yeah, because a lot of crimes are
Because of drugs.
drug related.
Exactly. Kayo ba, do you have to I know Lucy wants to have more kids. Ilan pa ba ang plano mo?
God willing, sana 5 more.
Sana 5
Sana
more.
5 more?
Idol kita, Janice.
Ay. O hindi, pero lalamangan mo ko pag 5 more. Bernadette.
Me, siguro 2 na lang. 2 more, ganun. Pero si Gary, he wants a lot. Gusto niya malaking family eh.
Sabihin mo siya mga anak after ng dalawa.
Kaya nga.
Oo. Ikaw na lang magbuntis, Gary, di ba? Ganun na lang
How
gawin
about
natin.
you, Lisa?
I want one more. God
One
willing.
more.
Ikaw, Janice, you want more?
Ganda ng tanong mo. Parang gusto ko ipokpok sa'yo yung mic. Ang ganda na, ano? Umaga. Mainit yung ulo ko. Kaloka ka.
Tanungin mo na yung next question.
Naiinis ako sa'yo. Paano ba mag-impart ng values? Paano nga ba? Ang hirap, di ba yun ang pinakamahirap to impart values to your children?
Oo, constant yan.
Di ba yung,
every single
di ba yung parang, don't say bad words. Ganyan.
Pero ikaw-
Tapos pag nagulat ka, ha! Mama, you said a bad word. Di ba? Anong gagawin mo? Sorry.
Mag-apologize ka. Kasi mali ka dun eh.
Oo.
Diba? Pero, diba, no bad words, you have to share. Pero every day, by mga 20 times a day, sasabihin mo, you have to share, you have to learn to say sorry, please, and thank you. Ano pa ba? Ano bang mga pressures sa pagtuturo ng value sa anak? Kasi I'm sure iba-iba ang style nyo eh. Iba-iba yung style ng magulang. For Bernadette, ano yung
Ako,
plano
that's one
mo?
of my concerns right now. Since bata pa naman siya, 6 months pa lang. So, I'm thinking, paano pag 1-year-old na siya, 2-year-old? Paano?
Ngayon,
So,
ano
I ask my mom, I ask a lot of people about it, or I read books. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko mapalaki siya ng maganda. Gusto ko yung values na natutunan ko, maibigay ko sa kanya. Pero, to explain it well,
It's another thing.
That's another thing. Well, nagsimula ka na ba sa discipline?
Sort
This
of,
early?
yes. Kasi
Oo.
now she's starting to throw things.
Oo.
So, syempre, eventually, pag nasanay siya ng kakabato, baka akala niya tama yun.
Baka ikaw na ang binabato
Yes,
niya, di ba?
correct.
Oo, hindi maganda yun. Oo. With Juliana.
Ako, I feel it's never too early to start because
Ako rin,
kids,
Oo.
a child is like a sponge and they really absorb,
Absorb
everything,
everything.
good
Actually,
or
kung
bad.
madisiplina mo siya early on,
Early,
momold
yes.
mo siya early on, pagdating ng mga 7, 8 years old, meron na siya eh.
May foundation,
May foundation
na. I
na
always
siya.
believe that you have to...
Oo.
I'll get
Constant talking to your kid
A
also,
person's
I guess. Constant.
character is built not when they're older, but they start
Formative
Yes.
years.
formative years.
And I think you always have to lead by example.
Lead by example.
Minsan mahirap yun, di ba?
Yan ang
How about you,
pinakamahirap.
Lisa? Namamalo ka ba?
No, I don't. In fact, that's why I didn't discipline them until they reach the age of 2. Hanggang naiintindihan nila yung sinasabi
Yung sinasabi
ko.
mo.
Kaya lang, ang problema sa bata, pag binigyan mo sila ng ganitong klaseng disiplina, after a while, nai-immune sila. Parang yung corner. Una, medyo, sige, corner, takot na takot sa corner. After a while, meron ng ibang sinasabi sa'yo, I can't find the corner. There's something in the corner.
Meron ng...
Ang daming mga
Kailangan,
rason.
ang mangyayari ngayon, kailangan iibahin mo na naman yung tactic mo.
Oo.
Diyos ko.
Kasi kung hindi, wala na, immune na sila.
Ito, paano nyo plano i-handle yung pressure na sila ay lalaki?
Lalaki.
Sabi ko nga.
Lalaki kasi
Ano
mga
pa
anak
ba?
mo eh.
Lalaki po sa anino ng kanilang mga sikat na magulang. Ayan, pressure.
I don't want her to be pressured because I want her to have her own identity.
Yeah, but you know,
eh.
parang hindi
I
maiwasan yun
I
eh.
want her to encourage, I want to encourage her to do other things. Hindi lang yung showbiz. I don't want her really, okay lang ma-expose siya para maintindihan niya yung mundong ginagalawan namin. But kasi like with us, we want her to be an athlete. We want her to be like this. We want her to be like that. Ang dami naming plans. But of course, whatever she wants, di ba? Kaya lang gusto namin ma-encourage yung ibang mundo outside showbiz para hindi siya masyadong hindi nga siya masyadong ma-pressure sa amin.
Actually,
para mas normal siya ng konti,
Para mas
diba?
normal ng konti.
Siyempre, nung hindi pa tayo mga magulang, ganyan tayo, parang, ano ba naman yung mga nanay at tatay natin, pinakikialaman lahat ng gusto natin. Oo. Actually,
Pero parang feeling ko
ngayon,
parang baka maging ganun din ako.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung bakit sila ganun.
Oo.
Nararamdaman niyo ba yun na parang, kaya pala, ang kulit ni Mami.
Di ba parang yun, that's why, di ba? Since prima ballerina, di ba? Parang syempre si Missy parang, Missy, sana you become a prima ballerina also. Di ba?
Although you do not impose, pero sana.
Pero yung talagang, sana talaga.
Actually, baliktad. Ang pagiging isang ballerina, it's very, very hard work. And
Parang ayaw mo
somehow,
pagdaanan
parang
niya
gusto
yun.
kong i-protect sa kanya yung ganong profesyon. Pero if she wants, sabi ko nga, pagtugtong niya ng 6, I will start training her. But really, definitely for Mac, it's ballet is out.
I'm hoping so. Hey, Mac, look at our sofa. Oh, it's so nice na.
Yeah, there is
There are
design.
green lines.
You know, you finish it para later, it is a work of art na lang, okay?
Okay, para naman i-honor ang mommy of his child, syempre, ang daddy ni Icy.
Ayan.
Gary
Nakapareho niya ang
Estrada.
kilay. Hi, Gary. Pareho kayo ng kilay ng anak mo.
Pareho ba?
Oo.
Ayun. Hindi.
Pataas. Pataas ang kilay niyo pareho.
Makapal lang yung kilay niyan. Ayun.
Hi, Gary.
Hi, hello. Galing nga ng ginawa ng
Oo, di ba?
Di ba ako?
May slide pa
Ayun.
kami. Di ba masyado ma-appreciate ng anak mo ngayon?
Hindi pa. Actually, hindi nga. Ayun,
tulog pa nga
pa siya. Tulog, natulog.
So, Gary, ano naman ang masasabi mo sa iyong bagong role?
Actually, hindi ito bago sa akin eh. Kumbaga, ito na yung first daughter ko in marriage. But I have one son already.
Ay, oo nga pala.
So, mali. This is siguro pang ano na to. Pang-anim na to. Kasi I have my sister, I have adopted children. And I want to thank Bernadette for being a mom to each one of them. There.
Ikaw, Gary, kumusta ka naman as a daddy?
I don't know.
Tumutulong ka ba?
Ayan, tanong natin si Bernadette.
Nagpupuyat
sa harapan
ka
ng
ba?
ama. Ano,
In
napupuyat ba
fairness to
yan?
him, oo. Before.
Nagpapalit ba yan?
Ngayon
ng
medyo
pampers?
nababawasan na. But
Siyempre sa umpisa
ano
may
naman,
excitement.
oo, tsaka may work naman siya. So I don't wanna obligate him, di ba? Ayoko naman na,
Okay lang yun, Bernadette.
yun. But he helps.
Pabiligahin mo siya.
Talaga. He helps and he knows how to change the diaper. Siya na gumagawa ng milk. When we're out, siya talaga sa labas. Mukha na siyang yaya sa labas eh.
Oo, palalo pag yung nag-out of town kami or ano. Ako talaga ang tagalinis ng bote, lahat, taga-karga.
Oo naman, dapat.
Oo,
Oo.
dapat ganun.
Dapat
nga eh.
ganun.
Hindi, ang hirap nga, hindi ko pa ito nagawa. First time ko talagang
Na talagang
hands-on.
hands-on.
Oo.
ka talaga.
Hands-on.
Sa all of my children naman, may mga yaya yung iba eh. Tapos ito talaga yung lahat. Ako na
Uy,
nagagawa.
nililinis mo ba yung
Galing
ano?
ko.
Nipple.
Oo. Mas magaling pa nga ako maglinis sa kanila.
Mga 45 minutes yata niya nililinis yung mga bote.
I can believe yung mga lalaki. No, mas matikulosa sila kaysa sa girls. May
Oo.
sistema pa.
Oo, parang mali-mali nga lumalabas minsan eh.
Ikaw,
naman
Gary,
ganun.
anong dream mo para kay Icy?
I just, ano ba? I want her to be an athlete. Siguro. Yun yung gusto ko.
Panoodin to ni Icy. Athlete ba daw?
Oo, yun ang gusto namin kasi
Talaga?
di ba, parang pareho na kami nasa showbiz and alam na namin yung takbo and
Pero di ba parang mas ang rigorous ang training, ang disiplina.
Kasi that's
Iba
what I
ang
do.
pressure ng athlete kaysa sa artista.
that's what I do also at this time kasi I'm training, di ba, national team
Oo.
ako. So, gusto ko yung ganun, eventually sana ganun din siya.
Anong
Yun
gusto
yung
mong
dream ko lang
sport?
naman.
Anong gusto mong sport?
Tennis. Oo, tennis dapat yan.
Ayan.
Tennis yan. May tennis court na kasi sa bahay namin eh.
Gusto mo siya maging Ana
Oo.
Kornikova? Wag naman.
Wag,
Ano?
hindi naman
Hindi naman, mga
eh.
hinggis. Oops.
Hinggis na lang para may placing. Diba?
Ayun.
Uy, thank you,
Hinggis.
Gary.
Thank you.
Gary.
Thank you.
Marami pa po sa pagbabalik ng sis. Di ba nga mga sis, kung pwede lang ibigay natin ang lahat para sa baby natin, gagawin natin. This time, lahat kami rito, lahat ng mga mami dito, we will play Fairy Godmother para sa mga cute na mga babies nito at sa mga sari-sarili naming mga anak. At isa-isa, maghahandog kami na ang aming handog sa kanila. Kahit ano, through our magic wands. Malay nyo, di ba? Iba naman daw talaga ang power of mommies. Pag mommy ang mga nag-wish at nag-pray.
So let's start with Lisa. Ayan. Punta na tayo. Hover na tayo dun
Okay.
sa mga bata.
Ay, naka-crown si Ma.
Yeah.
Ma, okay lang. King siya, king. Okay? King.
Actually, I wish for my children to, and children all over the world,
Ayan.
no?
Point the wand there.
Medyo yung wand ko kasi nakuha ng anak ko. Okay. I wish for my children and all the children of the world to have the warmth, the love, and security of family. Because, you know, I grew up with the support of my family and all my success and achievements. I give them all the credit kasi sila talaga yung they served as my anchor. And I want all my children and all the children of the world to feel that kind of security in family.
Okay, Tinker Jelly. Pixie Dust. Yay!
There you go. Okay, next.
Mommy Bernadette. Habang natutulog si Baby Icy. Ay! Ikaw na lang ang mag-fairy dust, Jelly. Ang galing nung Tinker Jelly. Oh, grabe.
Okay. I wish for Icy and all the children in the world to have the gift of strength, courage, and love from God. Yeah, that's very important.
Yay!
Thank you.
Mami Lucy, ikaw naman.
My daughter has no plans of standing up. So
Okay, so okay
I'll
lang
say my
yun.
wish while I'm seated. I wish for all the children in the world, and especially for my Juliana, the gift of hope. May she have a heart that truly believes that prayers will be answered and that dreams do come true.
Yay! Throw it, Juliana! Throw it, throw it, throw it! Yay! Throw it! Yay! Wow!
Kung ano
Diba?
ano yung tatay mo, kina-deadma mo. Oo, di ba?
Kung si Icy athlete, ano naman kaya sila Missy, Mac, and Juliana?
20 years from now,
Yes.
actually, ang plano naming mag-asawa is to send them to Harvard Business School.
Wow!
So, ewan ko lang kung magkakatotoo yun. I just hope that 20 years from now, they grow up to be responsible young adults.
On our part, me and Richard really wouldn't want to impose anything on Juliana, so we just want her to grow up to be a person of integrity and to be the best that she can be in whatever field she chooses.
Ayan.
Alam mo, sabi nga nitong si Douglas Quijano.
Oh, ano ba?
Sa kanya ko narinig to eh. Ang trabaho daw ng mga magulang, nepotistic daw yan eh. Kasi syempre kung ano yung kinalakihan ng mga anak, ganun at ganun din.
Ang magiging-
Diba? Sa isang pamilya nga daw na let's say lawyer ang mga magulang.
Di maiwasan
Kung
na
sa
may
limang
mga...
anak, may 3 dyan magiging lawyer for sure.
Correct. Totoo yan. Totoo
Diba?
yan.
Kasi yun ang kinalakihan eh. They see you do it, nagkakaroon sila na,
Yun ang
nagiging hero
exposure.
ka.
Yun ang exposure. Actually, napapansin ko, kapag nakikita ng anak ko yung tatay niya kumakanta sa stage, bigla siya namamangha sa tatay niya. Ibang tingin niya bigla sa tatay niya, parang wow.
Na-overwhelm.
Na-overwhelm siya. At dikit na siya nandikit na talagang hindi siya kala mo, fan. Nagiging fan. I'm sure, does that happen with Missy when she sees you dancing?
Yes, and from the back of the theater, she calls, "Mama, I'm here!"
Habang nagsasayaw kang ganyan serious.
Ako kaya, kasi yung mga anak ko gusto nila maging Britney Spears. So, sana man nila nakuha yung idea ng pagka-Britney Spears. Saan kaya nila nakuha yung idea?
Sa TV. Yan lang ang masasabi ko.
Kasi hindi naman pwedeng sa akin, no? Ang pangit, di ba?
Pero
Mga
feeling ko
bagay.
kay si Kyla baka maging host. Tapos sino magiging dramatic actress?
Si Ina, tsaka si Moira, medyo mga ano yun eh. mapagkunwari yun eh. We want to be a singer and a dancer. Si Kyla hindi diretso, I want to be an artista.
Oo, para di ba?
Oo, magkaliwan
Yes,
agad tayo,
magkaliwan agad
artista.
tayo.
Oo.
Ano bang things about raising a child na gusto nyong
Gusto niyo pang malaman?
I'm sure, kahit na ang dami nyo ng exposure, parang there's still a lot of things that you want to learn.
Ako, I really want to learn how to discipline a child.
Pinaka-effective way.
Yes, the most effective or yung guaranteed method.
Yung sigurado, surefire hit. Diba? Oo nga, ako rin gusto ko ganun. Malaman ko kung ano yung siguradong magwo-work para sa angkop, para sa anak ko. Kasi syempre, iba-iba mga bata eh.
Yung hindi mo na sila mapapagalitan uli.
Wala nang paluan, wala nang sigawan, wala nang sermon.
Ay, nako. Oo.
Kayo?
Same here. At saka, para kung paano ko ma-explain sa kanya when the time comes na yung mga huwag makikipag-usap sa strangers, yung mga ganon. Yung kung pwede ko na makontrol yung mga ganon. Paano when the time comes?
Si Miss Lucy.
Ganon din. Kasi ako, I have a tendency to spoil. So, I wish there were a way to discipline a child without really hurting them or making them cry. But that only happens in a perfect world. I think part of being a good disciplinarian, it will entail that the child would get hurt. So, if only to make them a better person, then sige na lang.
Nangyayari ba sa inyo na habang pinagagalitan nyo yung anak nyo, let's say papaluin nyo or papagalitan nyo lang, kasi for some parents, they don't make palo, no? Yung kayo rin umiiyak?
It hasn't happened to me yet because she's still too young to really
To
understand.
understand. Ito hindi pa. For Lisa, has it ever happened na yung pinapagalitan mo siya, ikaw rin umiiyak ka kasi nasasaktan ka sa ginagawa mo?
So actually, ang nangyayari sa amin is I try to isolate first the child. And then pag kunwari tumahan na siya sa kakaiyak, I give them a big hug and I try to explain in words why I shouted earlier or why I
You got
felt the
angry.
need to discipline her. Ganon. Pero hindi yung umiiyak din ako kasi baka mamaya mag-iyakan na lang kami.
Oo.
I try to control myself, control my emotions.
Kailangan, no? Hirap.
Oo, kasi sabi nila pag umiiyak ka daw, tapos habang pinapagalitan mo, lalo kang hindi paniniwala kasi umiiyak ka rin.
Pareho kayo umiiyak.
May frustrations na ba kayo as parents?
Frustrations meaning...
Frustrations, like kung minsan yung, like, parang...
Ito, time alone with your hobby. Time
yeah.
alone with your hobby o kaya yung puyat or yung things like that. Small things lang naman.
Well, actually, it's really hard pag mother ka na to differentiate the wife and the mother. And I think that's why it's very important na kayong mag-asawa talagang you set aside time just for the two of you where you're just a wife and a friend and, you know...
Girlfriend.
Yeah, mistress. And the kids, you know, I'm very lucky kasi I have yayas, so, you know, we can easily isolate
Escape.
ourselves from the children.
Bernadette.
My only frustration right now is yung puyat. Because I don't have a yaya and ako talaga, I'm the one who wakes up every night. And ngayon, every 3 hours talaga siya gumigising.
Ganyan
So,
talaga.
yun yung wish ko lang. Kailan kaya mangyayari
Mga
yung matutulog siya ng
tagal-tagal pa.
straight.
Mga a few more months.
Yun lang, small things.
Sasanay ka rin. Lucy.
Me, my only frustration is parang I never have enough time to do all the things that I have to do. Parang inuubos niya lahat. But I'm not complaining also because I won't have it any other way. I know she'll only be this young once and I'm trying to make the most of each moment. And yung time naman namin ni Richard, we really have to work at spending time together as just husband and wife.
kayo
I
lang.
Think, I think that's really important.
Kailangan kasi para yung togetherness nyo, yung unity nyo.
Ikaw, anong frustration mo?
Ako, frustration ko, kung paano ko mapatitigil sa pag-aaway yung mga anak ko. Every hour na lang, may nagre-reklamo. may nahulog. Ayan, gusto ko sana magkaroon ng way na hindi sila mabubukulan, hindi sila masusugatan. Gusto ko ganon.
Oo.
Yan ang aking wish, yung hindi mabubungi.
Yung mga anak mo.
Oo, yung ganon.
Mga mahudlo.
Helmet. Kailangan ng anak ko, built-in helmet, built-in knee pads, at saka elbow pads.
Alam mo, yung mga nag-motocross, meron silang outfit, Jenny.
Ibig sabihin, magmamotocross din ng mga anak ko.
Hindi. Yung outfit lang.
Outfit lang.
Oo. Everyday basis.
Nun. Ang init.
Oy, pero walang bukol.
Oo nga, wala nga.
Walang bukol, walang sugat.
Pero ang baho ng anak ko, ang asim niya. Oo, nanggigitata siya.
Ay, naku.
Ano kaya ang sasabihin ng mga mami kapag lumaki na ba ang mga baby nila? Yan po ang pag-uusapan namin sa pagbabalik ng Sis. Sinabi po namin sa aming mga guests na gumawa ng sulat para sa kanilang anak. Pag ito'y nag-18th birthday.
Oo. Ayaw nating lumaki ang mga anak natin. But, unfortunately, our children
Wala tayong
will
choice.
only be children once in their lives. And all we will have of their childhood are memories.
O, diba? So, tingnan nga natin kung ano nga ba ang sinabi nila sa kanilang mga letters. Habang ginagawa nila yung letters, kukunan namin sila ng picture para yun ay ipapakita nila sa kanilang mga anak kasama ang letter pagdating nila ng 18. Sana may sis pa para mag-guest na sila ulit, di ba? Okay. Ang tagal nun.
Tanda na natin nun, Jelly. Okay. Bernadette, Mommy Bernadette, your start.
Okay.
Alam mo ba kung saan pipindutin
This
yan,
is
Jelly?
dated March 19, 2020. Okay, to my dearest Icy. So how's my baby girl? I guess my baby's no longer a baby. You're 18 years old now and a pretty young lady at that. It seems like it was just yesterday when I was still changing your diapers, playing with you and your dolls, and teaching you ABC. I'm quite sad that you're not mommy's baby anymore, but I'm happy and thankful also that my little girl turned out to be a wonderful, smart young lady. I just want to tell you that Daddy and I don't eat. Love you very much, and we want to thank you for bringing us so much joy and happiness. You really are the angel of our lives. From the moment you were born, we knew that you are a blessing from God, and you continue to be up to this day. I want to reaffirm you and tell you that we will always be here to guide and support your every decision. You're entering a new phase in your life, and for sure there will be new and greater challenges that you will encounter. Just always remember all the things we've taught you and all the values we have imparted to you. Always trust in God and do not forget to pray so that you will be guided in your every step. I love you, Icy, and Mommy's always going to be here for you. If you need a friend, a mother, a teacher, a listener, remember that I'm always ready for you. Do not hesitate to talk to me about anything, even about boys. I love you very much, my baby. Love, Mommy.
And Mommy, here are your pictures.
Thank you.
Pictures for you. There.
Ayan.
Next,
Pakita natin mamaya. Ayan.
si Mommy Lisa. Okay, official photographer.
I was really busy this morning, so I didn't have time to write a letter, but I can say it from the bottom of my heart. Dear Mac and Missy, now that you're 18 and 20 for Missy, I hope and pray that you and I will always have total open communication with each other. Please always
don't go
consider that you come home when you come home to Mommy and Daddy, and I hope that you will always know that you are loved and you will be missed when you feel that you need to leave home and have your own life outside of the family, outside of Mommy and Daddy's care. But we understand, and if ever you have any problem, big or small, don't hesitate to come to us. Because we will always be there for you.
Yay. Okay, one picture. Smile! Okay, and now for Mommy Lucy.
My dearest Juliana, you're 18 years old now, and at this point, you're most probably faced with decisions that will be crucial to your future. Lift all up to God, who is your best friend. By now, also, you must have fallen in love already. Enjoy your first kiss, but don't get swept off your feet until you're sure he's the one. Don't be scared to let me know. I'll help you explain it to Daddy. We love you with a love that knows no boundaries. Remember to ask God for guidance and Mary's protection at all times. This way you'll never go wrong. I love you, Mommy.
Wow. Mommy, hindi pa uma-appear yung picture, but this is yours, Mommy Lucy. Okay. Again, mommies, ano ang gusto nyong sabihin sa lahat ng mga mommy ring pareho nyo? Sa lahat ng mga may babying pareho nyo?
I just want to tell them to savor every moment that they have with their baby. Because really, time flies so fast. Give them as much attention as you can and be with them, guide them, and love them to the fullest.
Mapag-uusapan ng bata, I know a perfect place for the whole family to spend Christmas this year, Star City. Come to Star City. It's the happiest place for the family. And Missy Mac and Mama Lisa will be there in 2 exceptional shows combining circus and ballet, Can and Belen, in the 2 first-class venues in Star City, Aliw Theater and Star Theater. Naka-plug na rin.
Okay.
Miss Lucy,
Ano nga yun, Jelly?
ano ba ang tanong?
Nalito.
busy with Juliana.
Message for other mommies like
for
you.
other mommies, I think to just love your child unconditionally and appreciate them for the gifts that they are to you.
Of course.
And to always lift them up to the Lord because He knows what's best for them.
More mommies and babies when we come back.
Over sa awiting mula sa bottom of his heart. Okay sa alright na mga guests. Featuring Side A, Freestyle, and Miss Regine Velasquez. Ogie Alcacid, OA sa Hits. October 4, Araneta Coliseum. Abangan at watch nyo to, ha?
Always, always be. We are sisters. We are sisters. Sisters. We are sisters.
Sis would like to thank Bambi Fuentes, Salon de Manila, Chloe for Janice's Eyewear, for Narina Vision for Jelly's Eyewear, FNH, Wayless Center, Optical Works, Play and Display, Balut Creations, Zen Zest, JBL Furniture, Grand Flora, Wade Shoes, Janelin Shoes, Cal Computer School, Maldita, and Colin.
Congratulations, baby, dahil ikaw ang napiling Baby of the Week. You may claim your prize at the CIS Production Office, 8th floor, Gemini Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Look for Miss Louie Cadag every Monday, 1 to 3 p.m. Congratulations, baby!
Lastly, for the mommies, madalas kasi, ang sinasabi nila, pag naging nanay ka na daw, wala, natataba ka na, papangit ka na, mawala ka na ng time sa sarili mo. Actually, na-prove kong tama yun. Pero sa inyo, mga bagay na na-enhance, what are the things na na-enhance or magandang bagay na naidulot sa inyo ng inyong mga anak? A message of thank you to your children.
For me, lalo ata akong sumeksi pagkatapos kong manganak dahil nangayayat ako sa breastfeeding. Is Mama sexy? Huh? Is Mama sexy? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Star City.
Star City. Okay ka na ka.
I dance every day and I enjoy a career and a family. So it's really kung anong natutunan ko sa motherhood, patience and more patience.
And lots of patience. Ayan. Ayan po ang picture nila. Pakita natin yung picture.
Yeah.
Ayan. Okay.
Mommy Berna, what's your thank you message to Icy.
Of course, I want to thank her for being such a blessing and for bringing us so much joy in the family. Siya talaga, when we wake up, siya agad ang pupuntahan, you know, just a smile in the morning would really, you know, make her day, the whole day. So, thank you for that. And, wala, I have no regrets at all. I'm very happy having Icy.
Oh, yung cute
Uy,
naman.
kissing.
Love na sila.
Oo, kissing pa. Oh, kiss. Woohooy! Asus.
Oh,
For
Mami-
Lucy.
Mami Lucy.
Mami Lucy.
I thank Juliana for bringing out the best in me, for being a source of strength, and for being the source of joy and blessing that she is to us now.
At talagang aliw na aliw siya sa baby.
aliw na aliw
Tutuwa
siya sa baby.
Ikaw, Janice.
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw muna, hindi ko pa naisip eh. Yan muna, ikaw na.
Ako muna. O sige, ako, ano lang, it's through a song kasi ito yung favorite song ko.
Oh,
Kinakanta namin to.
You're
Kinakanta
back.
namin parati to.
Di ba
I never
Quotation
left.
Queen? You never left.
I never left.
Oo nga naman.
Okay, ito parati namin kinakanta to. Ang title niya, Because of You. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you.
Yun na yung message mo?
Yun ang message ko. Yun na yun. Wala na. Wala
Yun na
na
yun?
kailangan sabihin. Oo. Kasi hindi ka pa nakakapag-isip, no?
Oo, hindi pa. Hindi, ako message
Buuin
ko
ko yung
lang.
kanta?
Hindi, wag naman. Basta ako message ko lang sa mga anak ko, I love you. Thank you so much for for giving me the opportunity to become parents to you. Parents, me. Parent lang pala. Tapos, ano pa ba? You know, because of my children, because of you, I realized what my role here on earth is. Yan. Thank you.
Years from now, iko-correct ka ni Waki.
Oo nga, sabihin niya, ano ka ba, mami? Hindi ka na naman marunong mag-Ingles. Sabihan na naman ako ng anak ko.
Teka, tingnan may picture taking sila tayo din.
Uy, kami din ba?
Amin na yan.
Pero wala tayong
Amin na yan.
Paano ba
Bilis,
ito?
Jelly, paano to?
Yan, pang high-tech yan eh, Janice.
Tayong dalawa.
Dali.
Bye. Sana hindi
Tabingi yun for sure. Anyway, thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you very
you.
much. Thank you, Missy. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Mommy Berna. I see Mommy Lucy and Juliana.
And happy anniversary to Balloon Creations. And thank you sa students of the PUP College of Communication.
Yay!
Asan kayo? Hello, and thank you very much for coming to the show. We hope you enjoy, mommies and babies. Enjoy your lives together. Enjoy every minute.
Nanonood ng sis. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ulitin
Bye,
natin.
everybody.
Ulitin natin. Pangit. Okay.
Meron pa isa pa. Ang babaw natin, talaga pinipilit natin ito. Diyan, sayaan mo na nga.
Wala na eh. Wala na eh. Ayan o, empty.
Empty.
Nubos mo.